Good evening, student. Today start chapter number 1, important point. Important point. Point number 1. Computer used its memory it to store the data and information. Computer use its memory to store data and information. Point number 1. And point number 2. Primary memory is the internal memory of the computer. Primary memory is the internal memory of the computer. Okay. Point number 3, data can be stored. Data can be stored temporarily in primary memory. Primary memory, your RAM. RAM full form is random access memory. RAM full form is random access memory. RAM stand for random access memory. And point number 4, data can be stored permanently in the secondary storage device. Data can be stored permanently in secondary storage device. Okay. Next, point number 5. A hard disk is the secondary storage. A hard disk is a secondary storage device that permanently store information. Okay, a hard disk is the secondary storage device that can permanently store information. Okay, point number 6. It is fixed inside the CPU. ठीक है, हार्ड डिस्क क्या है, फिक्स रहता है इनपुट. तो हार्ड डिस्क, इट हार्ड डिस्क is fixed inside the CPU. Hard disk is fixed inside the CPU. And next, say one, an optical disk electronic data storage medium. An optical disk is electronic data storage medium. Okay, optical disk. Okay, optical disk electronic data storage medium. And next, point number 8, pen drive is also known as flash drive. Okay, pen drive is also known as flash drive. Next, pen drive is a portable device used for transferring data and programs. Okay, pen drive is a portable device used for transferring data and program. And point number 11, a memory card or flash memory card are also a memory card or flash memory card also data storage device, a data storage device. Okay, point number 11, a pixel is a single dot on the computer screen. A pixel is a single dot on the computer screen. A pixel, what is pixel? The pixel is a single dot on the computer screen. And point number 12, the device that give the data and instruction to the computer are called input device. The device that giving the data and instruction to computer are called input device. Okay. Point number 6 देखना, it की जगह hard disk आएगा. Okay, it की जगह hard disk. Hard disk is fixed inside the CPU. Okay, point number 6, hard disk is fixed inside the CPU. Okay, next. Point number 13, CPU is the responsible for process. CPU is responsible for process, store and save data on the computer memory. Okay, computer is the responsible for process, store and save data on the computer's memory. And 14, point number 14, the device that display the giving the result. The device that display or giving the result of the processing of the data are called output device. The device that display or giving the result processing of the data are called output device. Okay, and point number 50, input and output device are called peripheral device. Clear? Most important point, input and output device are peripheral device. Okay, and point number 16, 1 bit means 8 byte. Point number 16, 1 bits equal 8 bits, sorry, 1 bytes equal 8 bits. Okay, 1 bytes equal 8 bits. Okay, thank you.